Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning to me, Steph.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
I'm in a good mood, even though, I'm in a good mood. Yesterday, we didn't make the candles. We have to make the candles. Are we doing that today or tomorrow? Because today is yoga.
Today.
Yoga's at 7.
Today.
All right.
You go to yoga.
Okay, maybe I'll go to yoga.
Yeah.
But, yeah, we haven't made the candles. It's very much an energy thing. Like, we make intention candles, and we just been so exhausted that we didn't think we'd be doing justice when we made them. So we keep pushing it back. Luckily, we have enough time. The order's not expected till Wednesday, so that's okay. But the gym, we keep making excuses not to go to the gym,
I know.
and we need to do that. Because, new year, new me, new decade, new us.
Yeah.
New day, same excuses. But yeah, excited for the market. Let's see how the day plays out. It's 8:30 in the morning. Markets have opened, and let me tell you something. Well, I just update you on everything. Live Nation is down 27 cents, so that's about a 40th. That's just under 50%. Just under 0.5%. Gap is up 1.28%. Nike is up 0.5%. And it is the market's only been open up for 6 minutes. What was that, babe? What you doing?
I was just doing this. Hi. Marketing.
By the way, Sagittarius video is live on
Yeah.
Steph Prism. Support, show love. Appreciate you. See you in about an hour. Okay, it's 11. It's 11:11. Synchronicities. Make a wish. All right, and all the stocks are doing great. We are up 0.5% on Nike. We're up 2.75% on Gap, and we're up about 0.1% on Live Nation. And if you looked here, we're going to go onto the hourly chart on Nike. We broke above the resistance. We have retested that resistance, which now makes that support. Bounced off, broke out of the hourly trend, out of the hourly downtrend, and I'm hopeful for this one. We're going to take a look at Gap. We got the same thing. We broke out of we broke over resistance, broke out of the 1 hour uptrend, tested support, and we're bouncing off it, making a serious move up, setting new highs. And you look at Live Nation, we had that parabolic move. We've bounced down a little bit of correction, and we have broken out of that downtrend. Because we're so close to actually hitting our take profits on Live Nation, I think it's best we cancel our stop loss and put an order to a limit order to sell. Actually, I'm just going to cancel the order. We'll give it a little bit of time and see how this trade plays out. Probably follow the 15-minute trend and see if it goes over. If it does, if it breaks out that 15-minute trend, we'll probably sell them. But who knows? We may end up running to $76. So let's just see how it plays out. Let's just see how it plays out. Okay, so it's about 3. Well, it is 3 p.m. The markets have closed, and it was a good day. Dare I say, an amazing day. Yeah, so Nike went up about 0.6%. What is the other one? Gap went up almost 4%, and Live Nation went up 0.6%. Live Nation had a bit of a run after everything was going on. But yeah, it's a good day. It's after yesterday's video where I'm talking about the emotions and all my thoughts and everything, it's a good. I just gotta say, right as of right now, in this moment, it feels like obviously a good idea that I didn't sell everything. We're getting pretty close to hitting the take profits on both Live Nation and Gap. So I may put an order in for those tonight or see how they do tomorrow morning and kind of make a decision there. But yeah, it was a great day, good day, amazing day, a magical day. Speaking of magical, we got a big order of candles to make. Okay, so before we make the candles, before we get into all that, I gotta tell y'all the craziest thing happened today. So right after we said goodbye, saying I was gonna make the candles, the market Gap jumped up 12.8% in the after-hour market. Jumped up to $21. Our take profits was at $19.08. It literally almost doubled our goal. So I had a contradiction in my head, like, what do I do? Do I stay in? Should I wait till tomorrow? And I decided, you know what? That's greedy. Greed is one of the one of the four horsemen. So what we did was we put an order in, a limit order, just under the lowest limit order there is, and we got out. We got out today. We got out. Oh, I'm so happy right now. For about 3.5%. 3.5% gains for us. That puts us around $20, give or take. I can't wait to tell Steph. Before we get started on the candles, guess what happened today?
What happened? What happened?
So, you know how we've been in Gap?
Okay.
Well, after hours, after the market closed, it jumped up 13%.
Oh my gosh. What's Gap doing?
It turns out that they have changed their mind about splitting up Gap and Old Navy.
So they're keeping it together?
They're keeping it together. And off that news, it had a 13% jump, like 3 minutes after the market closed.
I just want to say something, and I don't care who hates on it. I actually love Old Navy. More than Gap. I said it. I said that.
Yeah, it's so exciting.
It is exciting.
That's like, instead of like taking profits at 2%, I ended up exiting the trade in the after hours.
Yeah.
For like a 3 to 3.5% gain.
Oh, she.
Yeah, so it's like $20-something.
Oh my gosh.
Say what? All right, y'all. I think I took enough of your time. We got to make these candles because that store ordered a whole bunch of them. We have to get it to them by Wednesday. But in the comments below, let me know what you would have done. Would you have stayed in the trade and possibly take winnings for tomorrow? But then you got to risk the chance of it actually dropping tomorrow as well. There's no way to predict these things, guys. While you're down there, hit the like button, subscribe, stay positive, and don't forget to do amazing things.